So what we have here is AUD USD, which is our odd to our USD, right? So you can clearly see the trend on this AUD USD. This is an uptrend move. Clearly, we know that we are having a bullish move. One of the reasons is that we are having a bearish move on our DXY, as our DXY or USD index would be giving us a bearish move. Then be expecting a bullish move on our AUD USD, especially any pairs against your USD. Be expecting to go long on such pairs. So for this USD AUD, we can see that AUD itself is going bullish against our USD due to the fact that this DXY or USD itself is giving us a bearish move. So we can take this as an ice. This will be the correction on AUD USD. This is the ice on AUD USD, right? Here comes the correction. You can take a look at this new ice that has been made. Here comes the correction, kind of good amount of drop there. New ice which broke this previous ice, no doubt. A correction, new ice has been made, of course. A correction needs to be made, and guess what? We've gotten a correction. So what do you expect next on AUD USD? Of course, we are expecting a bullish move. Now, if you take a look at this DXY, right, you will see that this DXY, we are kind of having like a bearish move. So if you take a look at this movement from here, let's start it from here. This is drop, a drop, and here comes the correction on USD index, right? This will be the drop. Here would be the correction. This is the new drop, right? This is a correction. Of course, what do you expect next after the correction? A drop. Notice that price has reacted to this level previously, also at this level previously. So it should not be a surprise when price react to this level by giving us a drop. So as we would all be expecting a bearish move on this DXY, right? As we will be expecting a bearish move on our USD index, then there's no doubt that we would also be expecting a bullish move on our AUD USD. So before you actually go long, I personally think you should be patient enough for this AUD USD to break above our 10-period moving average, because once you take a look at it on the daily time frame, we are still trading below the moving average. So you can possibly wait. It won't take you at least 50, 40, 50 pips for you to go bullish, breaks above the moving average. Then you can actually go long on this AUD USD. Now let's see if this retracement is over. If you want to know if this retracement is over, by the way, we are going to add this our Fibonacci retracement too. So this is the Fibonacci, right? It actually came to a level of 23.6. There's a possibility it might drop down to a level of 38 before it continues, it bullish move. This is one of the reasons why I said if in case it will not drop to a level of 38.2, then wait for it to break above the moving average. By that time, the price will be above our 23.6. Then you can go long. So once the price is above the 23.6, it will be above the moving average. I think that would be the best time to actually go long on AUD USD. So for me, there's every possibility price can come in to test this level, right? We saw price has once tested this level previously, right? Which can possibly come to a level of 38.2, which might not really happen, but above all, we'll be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. Since the DXY will be dropping, then be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. So to place this trade, so we'll go to the 4-hour time frame, right? So this 4-hour time frame is kind of giving us like a pullback, right? There's every strong possibility or probability that this price will drop further down. So this is one of the reasons why I said wait for price to actually roll up, break above the 10-period moving average on the daily time frame. Then you can now enter to go long, possibly take your stop loss at this stop level, and your take profits, by the way, at this level. Once you go long, you should to take out your take profits here. So above all, guys, we'll be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD.